sticky glazed chicken with a sweet and tangy sauce. This is my twice cooked soy sauce chicken. So guys, we are going to take the humble chicken drumstick and turn it into a beautiful little work of art. Let's get going on the marinade part first of all, because this is the thing that's going to give us the beautiful color that we're looking for. So one little tip here with the chicken, whenever I'm doing chicken drumsticks in a marinade, I always make these sort of deep cuts into the meat. That's going to help you get that marinade and the flavor like right in there. So you always want to be doing that. Now the marinade part is super simple. You want to start off with some dark soy sauce. Now you guys are often asking me about soy sauce and what kind of dark soy sauce to use. So my dark soy sauce is generally the sweet thick kind. I quite like it because I think it adds a little bit of extra sweetness and it's kind of really sticky, like it sticks to the food. But you can totally just use regular Chinese dark soy sauce as well, which is a little bit thinner in texture. Both of those are going to be fine. I will let you know in the video or in the recipe when it's really important to use one or the other. So, you know, I don't like to advise you to have like a million things in your pantry. That's why I'm saying, you know, you can use either one, the sweet dark soy sauce or just regular dark soy sauce. Okay, enough talk about soy sauce. Let's get it onto the chicken. And now you want some regular soy sauce here as well. So funnily enough, dark soy sauce is not as salty as regular soy sauce. So with the dark soy sauce, you're going more for a little bit of sweetness and caramel flavor and color. And then this regular soy sauce is for the saltiness. So there you go. There is method to the madness, everyone. Now, I also want some honey here as well. And then a little splash of Chinese Shaoxing wine. This one has like a kind of really floral, like almost fruity kind of fragrance, which I really like in dishes. But if you'd like to keep your dish alcohol free, you could just add a little bit of apple juice instead. And now we want a really nice hit of ginger here. Now you just want to give this a really good mix. Make sure each of those chicken drumsticks is getting a little bit of love from that marinade. Now you want to get these pieces out onto a tray lined with foil, very important because we've got a sweet marinade, we're going to put it in the oven, it's going to get like sort of toasty and burny and very hard to clean, and I hate cleaning baking trays. Now you should have some marinade left in the bowl here, don't waste that. Just spoon that out over the chicken, give it one last chance to get that flavor in there. And then pop these guys into the oven for an hour or until they're cooked through and lovely and dark and golden. Now my chicken is almost ready and holy cow, it is smelling really good in here. What I want to do now though is make a little stir fry sauce because of course this is a twice cooked soy chicken. So let's make the twice cooked part. We want to start off with a little bit of oil in our pan and then some garlic. Now some chilies, these are just mild chilies. So even if you wanted to use a capsicum here instead of chili, if you want to keep it really mild, that's totally cool. And some spring onion. Now just toss those about so they're just slightly tender, and then now we're going to go in with our sauces. So one of the things that makes this dish really special is the kind of tart vinegar flavor that you get. So I'm using a Chinese black vinegar or Chenqian vinegar. Look, it's a little hard to find in a regular supermarket, so if you can't get a hold of this one, just use like half white vinegar and half balsamic vinegar. Very easy substitution there. And then of course we want some soy sauce and some sugar. Now just let that bubble away in there, let everything make really good friends. And now let's grab our chicken. All right, so chicken looking pretty phenomenal right now. That beautiful, deep, dark, kind of brooding color, that's exactly what I want. Now I'm gonna get those chicken pieces into my sauce. Now toss everything together in there, and what I want to do is let that chicken kind of sit and luxuriate in that simmering soy and Chinese vinegar mixture and kind of soak it all up. All right, this is looking ridiculously amazing. Glossy chicken, beautiful. I'm getting hits of like soy and vinegar and garlic and all the things right now. What I do want to do is add in some sesame oil. I like to do this at the end because if you add it in at the beginning and you heat it up, the sesame oil kind of loses its fragrance and its intensity. So drizzle that in. So these guys are ready. Oh, yum, it looks so good. Out into a bowl.
And then for some final little pops of freshness here, I like some cucumber for the crunch and the kind of cooling effect, and a really good smattering of some chopped coriander. And there you go, guys, chicken drumsticks magically transformed. This one, oh, I can't wait to get in here. The smell at the moment is driving me crazy. I'm so hungry. All right, let's get in here. Oh, I totally need some chicken here. I love this. The color of this dish is so beautiful. I love how deep and dark and mysterious it is. Oh, and let's see if it tastes as good as it looks. Wow. Chicken drumsticks, honestly, so magical. There is so much flavor going on in that one mouthful. There's the soy sauce, of course, but garlic and the vinegar and just a little hint of the chili. All of it. So perfect.